Focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
The Northern Manley International Airport. So guys, we're finally on the scene. Well, we just pulled up and parked and everything, so we're going to take the stuff out of the car and then head to the site. So before we reach on the site, we stop by to get some meal
food
because we're going to be in the middle of in the middle of nowhere.
Oh good.
Whoa.
But we are hungry. Even though we catch fish, we never kind of find banana island or season to cook up the fish. We just catch fish, we go home for mash up in the kitchen, you know?
Yeah.
So we'll buy food to make sure to see how she not go hungry, me not go hungry, and we have something to eat in England, because more than likely we will still be up fishing in England night, especially me. So I want something for munch and all of them good things, you know? Yeah. So let's head on to the campsite. It's just, you know, it's not no grass or dirt or bush or anything like that, but you know, you will see it when you see it. Yeah. We all take so long for you to get it soft.
Okay, guys.
We are moving.
Yep.
Go.
He has his luggage.
And the luggage is there.
Yeah. And I'm just carrying this, you know, also.
Because she has to hold the camera.
Yeah. And I should just carry the camera and this stuff, you know. Yeah.
Whew. I'm tired. I am tired. Well, let's get it on, man. Let's get it on. Let's go.
Come close.
Water go drop. Oh, Jesus.
Let me carry the water.
Oh,
No, sir.
sorry about that, guys. One of the water almost fell.
You can't even see you because you not come over.
Hold it up, man. Up here, man. Yeah, man. But you watch your step when you go down. I'm here, man. I'm here.
Anyways, see you on the scene. So this is the trail. A lot of bushes and trees and sand.
We're not going too far in though. We're just going to the front, you know.
You can see the sea from here a little bit.
We are too tired to go all the way around. So we're just having it from the front.
So guys, we are
landed.
here. We are here.
Yeah, man, we landed, man. We landed. Look at that.
Yeah, this is the
Look
ocean.
at that. That's beautiful. We see everybody else fishing.
Yeah, other persons are
Some
fishing.
boats in the water and so forth. But
Yeah.
Look at that, man. Look at that. If tide was a person, this would be it.
Guys, we came late and it's about after 5 in the evening, so we couldn't get to pull out the chairs to see the sunset. So we're going to set up. Babe left to get the insect repellent because there's a lot of bushes and the sea and everything, so there's a lot of mosquitoes and already they're biting us, so that's what I'm waiting on currently. I'm moving up my feet because I'm not even feeling them landing on you. You just feel the bites. So yeah, here he comes. Hurry up with the repellent.
there right now. An entrance.
Which way you want to go?
Come in.
Come spray me up. Give me. Try the camera.
I spray parcel for the mosquito repellent. I had to run back to the car for it, guys. Like, water full of mosquito when I'm ready. So, come on, want them bite her.
No, they want them bite you.
They can't bite me.
Okay.
My blood not sweet enough. One bite and then dead from me. Look at the sea, guys. Look at the cloud. Look at the scenery. This is amazing.
I use my hand and rub it all over.
This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Put it on your face.
I mean, so I can't kiss it then, man. It smell?
It smells sweet.
It smells sweet?
Yeah.
Say me kiss you and some touch me lip, me dead.
Alright,
Me nah kiss you. Just my hand alone and my neck alone I rub up, but me nah kiss you.
come, do my back, don't you?
Me spray and you rub.
Cool. Cool.
Right.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Hi. That's ooh.
Alright. You that, my friend?
Yeah.
Alright. This is the first time I'm ever using anything like this, and the bug spray or anything like that. You know we are man. We take the mosquito bite them like
So don't use it.
And we are talking
Don't use
skin
it.
nice and pretty, and we
Yes,
have
so don't use it. Yes, son, you can't take it. So take the bite.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, man. You
No,
just say yeah, man.
Easy no. Easy no. I'm good. It smells sweet, but it's strong, man.
How about this long for me?
I feel it like cologne, guys. The scent kind of blow up.
Alright.
Yes, guys. So we're gonna move from here. Just go over a little bit more. Just because we're there right now, the entrance-ish kind of ish.
Mm-hmm.
So we just want to shift over. Shift over.
Alright, let me take up my bag.
Walk with the hammer.
Give me extra weight, but okay.
Water.
Alright.
Put the water.
Alright. Superman.
I just saw one trip this year, so they're on a 2 trip.
Okay.
One trip.
One trip thing.
Yeah, man, one trip this year. Can't bother with 2 trips this year. Go left to left. Over there, behind. Yeah, one.
You can go around up the south. One of the entrance right?
Yeah, but you have to go out here.
No, I'm say right there so.
No, go back.
Him. What? We can't come right there so?
Don't forget. Thank you.
Yeah, back so they need to clean this area, man.
Boy, it's that first time.
I don't know. The company right there.
I forgot it.
I don't know what I want to him. I have my nice clean chair and he wants to sit on the bag.
Oh, so you come propose that double C.
Look
Okay.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Ooh, so in our sense.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Voila! Okay. Alright, sleeping bag.
Yo, I think about others way before my.
Alright, I'm going to test it out.
Test him out.
I think I got sleep, but I just so.
Look like it's coming. Take out the front.
Hey guys, I'm in my tent. You know, it's a success. Hey Nick, J family. Yeah man. Oh, I'm gonna take my time. Okay guys, here is how the tent is looking. Oh my gosh, I want you guys to grade us how we did.
10.
Woo!
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
It was a success.
Yeah, man.
We pulled through,
It's a good thing we know for food.
don't it? It looks so good. We have a little mesh and our sleeping bags in. And this is our little door, you know. Let me show you guys. Oh, what is it there? So here's how it is so far, our little door. Nose. Alright. And that's how in here is looking. Oops. And that's our roof up there. You know. I'm gonna close back my door. Our mat. Check out our mat.
Alright.
What's next now?
Put in the accoutrements them inside. Put the chairs in front. And then we'll just go out to catch. Cut up bait.
You're not gonna eat?
Are you hungry now? We can eat.
Yeah.
The only thing left over, I'll just go fishing.
Alright. We're going to have some meal. Alright guys, we're going to eat something and then start the fishing.
After a long days of work, we have to eat some food. The phone is over there. Put the water right there. walk with them? Oh, yeah, walk with them.
Festival.
Yeah.
So we have some festivals. Hopefully they must see you.
Starfish. Yeah, show them a bunny. Alright, here's your starfish. And put a fowl in.
No far?
Oh! Did you get with you?
No, I'm not here right.
Okay, so let's put the juice in. One bunny?
2 festival. That's so. At least we have water. Or we can drink more wine. So let's grace and bless the food.
1, 2, 3. God is good, God is good. That is thanking for us.
Repellent.
Oh, yes.
So guys, usually after we say grace, you know, you would pop a kiss on the, you know, the back of the hand. Yeah.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your...
A lie.
Cool? Come.
Oh my.
Still cold.
It's good.
Can go on.
So we never get with juice, so we have to bust the wine. Champagne.
Okay guys, we're going to finish feed and then do the fishing.
Yes guys, so we now the usual fishing rod. Thanks babe. We now the usual fishing rod, I'm tired. Seriously, I'm tired. But this is how me normally use a buckle line, right? Now hook the panic and I take off the hook because it tear up my bag. So I'm going to hook it, bait it, and I'm going to use this. This is how I'm going to use. Right? Now line it up on it, so I'm going to line it up on thing and then we can use that one. Alright. Woo! Have a look a bit. The line. Some hooks. Sinker.
What is sinker?
Sinker what help the hook and the bait to sink in the ocean.
Oh.
Some more hooks. Some more hooks. Chopper, knife, and then 2 more hooks. So yes, alright, so
it's darkness now guys, it's night. What time now? What time on your phone? We came here late.
alright, so it's 7:36. We reach here after 5. It take us half an hour to pitch the tent. And then another half an hour to eat. I don't know where the next hour went. There's no say something disappeared somewhere.
So we have multiple lights as we shown you guys in the prior video. But when you start fishing at this time now, I don't know how the lighting is going to be.
I think it's gonna be poor. I really think it's gonna. It's pitch black. No, pitch black.
But we're going to try with the different lights. Try to add more reinforcement to see if it will work. And you guys can see us fishing.
I don't think I'm gonna stay up the whole night fishing. But we just gotta You know, we have
If
to
anything, early in the morning, like because it starts bright up about 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Them time them no
Yeah.
fish, no fish are gonna come. You want to do that then? I want to start now. I'm not a problem with either of them. But can you wake up
No,
early?
have a feel first.
Have a feel
We
first?
have a feel first.
Make you have a feel
And
first.
then when you wake up early in the morning, you can try again.
Oh yes, so have a feel.
And you guys can see everything better.
That means we have to get up about 4:30, 5 o'clock. Knowing me, I not go sleep.
So guys, he's preparing the makeshift fishing line because we don't really have the fishing rod thing, you know. So this is a makeshift one where we improvise.
Makeshift.
So what is that you're doing now?
That's me tie up the sinker from the line. So it can sink and so it not pop off. But mine sharp, it can pop. So I sinker. Alright. So hook
So
it
it
now.
help make it stay, go down,
Yeah, it help make it go in our water.
go deep down.
Yeah. Okay. So you put on the bait on this. This is a sinker.
This are the hook.
You see hook here. So all you need is just put a bait on this. I should have made this look longer still, no, but this can work same way. And then that's you.
Let me see.
Alright.
I don't know if you guys can see it.
Right here now.
Have it tomorrow morning when it's more bright out.
When it bright
We'll
out.
show you better.
Yeah. I can't hold
Alright,
it.
so this is mine.
Mine I gotta take a little time because I'm gonna put no card on this.
I'm gonna do this again. I like it.
You get catch. Catch, you get catch.
Wait,
Yeah, man, catch your blood
Wait.
fire, man. I mean by weight.
wait.
You get catch, man. Yeah, experience where you love now.
Yeah, my sister, I think I did real rule out here, but I never know some people.
People, me telling you, people come out to camp and camp, man. People come out to come camp and Saturday.
I do this as a hobby still.
Hmm?
I have to clear my mind already.
Exactly. Because even me would have come out at early one Sunday morning, fish, and then come back, get ready and go to church. I would do this every Sunday morning. Every Sunday morning. And if you can join me, when I tell you come, I call next week Sunday. We just come out at early Sunday morning.
Why not Saturday?
Saturday morning. I'm gonna read.
I know you guys, I think you're hearing the waves. It's so relaxing.
Yeah, they have no pro that over there, so. The pitch tin. Wow, Jesus! Woo!
Come here.
See the bite me, I'm nasty. Nasty.
And the sweater over the socks?
Yes. Then, my love. Them so bite at.
You can't bother with them flying something here, you know. But we're in the wild, so it is expected.
The wild.
Yeah, kind of the wild.
Some listen a lion and a tiger come
You
off
don't
of
need
it.
to see it. There's no cell in the wild.
There's enough, man. I'll just put on the coat, man. Oh, wow, man, the bite is just hot, man. You can't go on close to don't.
No. Where am I with pan clothes? Probably it's all in your head.
Oh, man, Sean. The bite is hot, man.
No, no, biting my foot. I'm have on black and then say a mosquito for the dark clothing.
Hot, yeah, chat. Hot, yeah, chat. I'm going to say it. I'm bottom face.
Let her go in there.
I probably can't work with this.
Your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down.
Alright guys, so we're going to attempt this fishing thing tonight in darkness.
And then we just continue in the morning. If my vibe still let me hold it for the whole night, you know. But the
I
musketeers.
need to get my sleep, so.
The musketeers sing for me.
So guys, couple failed attempts. We got nothing.
I pose never pose like double six. Cause I know them all come out early in the morning.
Alright guys, so we're going to continue tomorrow morning so you guys can see
Everything properly.
So for now we're going to try and see if anything will on our thing, but look like no fishing in the water.
Listen, I'm going for holiday.
No fishing is in the water.
I'm going for holiday.
So see you in the morning.
Bye.